going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, servicing all of the greater DFW area. Today, we're going to walk through a MasterCraft XT22 T. This is a new model for the 2023 model year. So let's climb inside and check out some of the awesome features. So before we hop in, let's check out something on the transom here that I am a huge fan of for 2023. We do have the swim step integrated fully into the swim platform, easy stowaway, also easy to deploy, folds right back up inside. Just makes it a little bit easier getting out of the boat, and also a great spot to sit while you guys are out floating. So here you'll see on the transom walk-through step, this is a great spot for you guys to get out of the boat, but also the step on the reversible seams are not stepping on the upholstery. And then we do have the Z8 tower option on this one with the dual cans. The Z8 tower, super easy to use. You got this button here. You can stop it anywhere you want, put it right back up. So super easy to operate. And inside you'll see the flooring. We do have the Decadence flooring. This is probably my favorite flooring option that we have. Easy to maintain, pulls right out, rinse it off, lay it right back down here in the boat. Super easy, lasts a long time. Just another thing, keep it a little bit easier maintenance for you guys. So one of the great features on this XT22 T is this port side communicating storage. It goes all the way from where the batteries are stored in the back, all the way to the bow of the boat. So you got plenty of storage down here for life jackets, vests, whatever you got, fits in there perfectly. So in this boat, we do have the option for the dual screen setup. One of the features that I love on the top screen is this awareness cam. So it allows me as the captain to be looking forward, being able to be fully aware while I'm driving, but also be able to check on my rider while we're underway. This right side, bigger screen. This is gonna be your touch screen. This top half is gonna be controlling all of your sports, cruise, all that stuff. So if you have your surf, you have your rapid surf option there, or your your custom surf. So super easy to use. A couple clicks of the button, you guys are surfing. Bottom half, all your music, all your lights, all the other stuff that helps keep the boat running and having a good time. Thank you guys for checking out this XT22 T with me today. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. That is a great spot for more information about all the great manufacturers we carry, as well as some of the other awesome perks of buying from MarineMax, whether that's the getaways, whether that's in-house financing. We have something to help you get into the boating life and sustain that lifestyle for a long time. So if you guys have any more questions outside of that, give me, Jake Jones, a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.